Hi guys, hello. My name is Ariane. Today I talk about the small town. Your name is Homun. Homun is the land of the cenotes. One moment. Yeah. Find first location. Homun is a town in the state of Yucatan, tip of the Monimos municipality, located about 55 kilometers southeast of the major city and 10 kilometers southeast of the Tanque city. Second story of small story. In Mayan language, I think cinco ternos. On the foundations of Homun, there are no exact date. I thought it is from before the time of the conquest. In terms of the Hernan Cortes, approximately parties, dance, and traditions. The main popular festivities in honor of San Buenaventura takes place from July 6 to 14. These are the festival legends and tradition of our religious faith when realized that during the Hindu operation of the 1847 San Buenaventura, the patron saint of the population, dancer for the salvar and walked towards the mayors and prevented from something or more over against him. That cultural and tourist attractions. The main attraction is a beautiful large cenote. There is a great variety of cenotes from that are 100% natural photos that give a carried outdoors multi province that you imagine. Now we have a list of the most popular places to visit enjoy with family. A lot of cenotes are Upuncat, Cenote Santa Maria, Span Restaurant, Pizza Cenotes in Santa Rosa, Cenote Balmil, Cenote Yasla and others. Finally, economic activity and multiple activities that will take place in the municipality. Agriculture is predominant, highlighting the importance of cane, corn, beans, tomato, chili, and fish crops. Cane agribusiness an important presence in the municipality. Other activities of the population are the craft and the making of wheels. Wheels are in the screen. Wheels on machine embroidery, shears, stand of weathers and weaving of the hemp and amos. And remember, visit Homun, a place enjoyed with family. Thanks.